Dan and I say we like this green. It's like an olive green. It's quite nice. Java. I'm Java green, it says. So I'm in the Deutz, I call it olive green, but what's the colour of this tractor?
Java green.
The Java green,
yeah.
And I'm with Marie, and we've just been down the road, and you've come all the way from Germany?
Yes.
So you work with Deutz?
Yeah, I'm one of the trainers,
and she's taken me down the road. It was really nice to drive the Deutz. There's all sorts of new controls, and definitely done a very good job of explaining it to me. Would you say there's anything different about this tractor? To the other ones, like
yeah, this is with the TTV, so yes, automatically driving, so you have no gearbox to check, and yeah, so you have here the opportunities to set more on your tractor, so you can focus on your implements and not only on the street.
No, it's
really good. Yeah.
It's really good, and I've enjoyed my time with you, so thank you very much, and I hope you get back to Germany safely. So I'm at my next section of the driving day at Deutz, and I'm with Tim, and we're going through the GPS, and we were doing the headlands, and it just drove itself all the way around the headland. As in at home with the A and B line, we just go straight, we don't use the headland thing, so it's really cool. And Tim, how long have you been working for Deutz for?
2 years now.
2 years now, and you're enjoying it?
Yeah, it's a great company. I'm really enjoying it. So you come around, so normally I'm working in the German market, and now I'm in England and can teach something of the GPS stuff here.
Yeah, so Tim's come over to show me about the GPS. Now I'll flip the camera around and Tim will explain a little bit about it.
So,
yeah.
What we are seeing now is our tractor with the implement. At the moment we have Amazon spreader on it. You see the sections which are provided by the ECU. On this monitor we have 200 sections free, so they are ex-factory on it without any charging on that.
Yeah.
You see also when we going up here, the auto turn function is already on it.
Yeah.
We unlocked that. You can set some flag points like rocks or power poles if you want to.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. You have also the Isobus VT on your screen, so you can track it also big, then you can use it really good.
Yeah.
If there's not enough space, you can also extend the monitor with your normal tablet. There you can see or can control the Isobus on it, or can look at the guidance map. So there are plenty of options here on the tractor.
Yeah, it's really fascinating. And then here's where we set all the lines, so you can have the straight A and B. Was that one?
AB curved, so where you record your way. Then a circle one that's more common in North America or Australia, where they have, I think it's pivot, or it's how do you say it? Or
for the irrigation, oh, but it's been really cool, and I've really enjoyed driving it, and thank you for explaining a little bit about it, and I hope you have a safe flight back to Germany soon.
Thank you very much.
And I might see you again. They like
numbered on the side, so if it's 41 is a lift height, 4.1 metres, right, and then 2.5 tons at the bottom. What's it? Further you go.
Of course. We're supposed to fund the last year at uni.
Hi guys. So I will demonstrate you the extend function. The extend function is the possibility to extend your monitor with a normal tablet. So it can be in Android, it can be in iOS, so it doesn't matter. We're connecting the iPad or the tablet with the monitor over Wi-Fi. So now we are mobile. So I have a Wi-Fi connection till here, and I now can just unfold, for example, the sprayer.
Oh wow, no one's in the cab.
And Michael was the one that you would get something that round.
The good thing about that is normally everyone has like an iPad or a tablet at home, and that's only licensed for around 200 pounds, and you can save a lot of second isobus monitor. You don't need them. You have then your tablet. You cannot only you can also turn it on. No worries.
Really?
If you say, oh yeah, I don't have any isobus implement, also no worries. We can also see our map. So as an extension of the monitor, then you can have your tractor settings on the monitor itself and have your guidance on the tablet. Or you can use it as isobus monitor. The tractor or the implement, for example, if you have to calibrate your seeder, normally you have to go up and down of the cabin, and then you'll just grab your tablet, go down to the seeder, and you can control it completely from there. You don't have to go back to the cabin again and go back and down. So it's pretty easy to use. So if there's some volunteeringly using it.
How are you used?
Yeah. Putting sections on or off.
Okay. So I want to spray.
You want to spray? So go on minus.
On again.
So you can also use it to control your sprayer. You fold the hoop.
Oh my goodness. We haven't seen rain like that for a minute.
No, we've had a whole 10 days without rain. And now
We're like...
what is this stuff again?
Dan and I made it back in the rain, and it's still tipping it down. The rain must have followed us all the way home. Right, look at this clean tractor. I'm off to see how clean the combine is. So this is day 2, and it's 4 o'clock. So I had a day, nearly 2 days on it. Let's go and see how clean it is and see how Ed's getting on. It's looking shiny from here, I have to say. Let's go and see what Ed's doing. Look at these puddles. That is literally from 10 minutes of rain. It's just like no dirt on it at all anymore. Oh yeah, look at all that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just coming to see what's going on down here. Come say good morning to Dan, because I haven't seen him yet. Lorry being loaded. I think. I can hear the JCB. This wall is literally like a sound barrier. Can't hear anything. There it is.